Greetings, fellow seekers, scouts of the kingdom. Today we embark on another exploration voyage towards terra incognita, inside the simulation. In this entry, we will face a key element that we have to consider if we really want to peek behind the curtain of this fascinating hypothesis that we call the simulation. In a world filled with uncertainty and mystery, there exists a hidden truth that beckons us to explore its depths. Imagine for a moment the reality we've come to accept is merely an intricate illusion, a sophisticated simulation crafted by unseen forces. Intriguing, isn't it? This concept isn't new. Philosophers, scientists, and truth-seekers have long contemplated the nature of our existence, questioning the fabric of our perceived reality. The simulation hypothesis, a theory rooted in the realms of scientific and philosophical thought, posits that the world we know might be a highly advanced computer simulation. Could we be living our lives within a complex digital playground, oblivious to the true nature of our existence? Our objective is clear: to explore the mysteries of the simulation and uncover hidden truths. As we embark on this journey, let us delve deeper into the enigma that surrounds us, seeking to understand the mechanisms shaping our perception of reality and the intentions of unseen forces. Armed with curiosity and a thirst for knowledge, we stand at the precipice of discovery, ready to unravel the hidden reality that lies beneath the surface of our everyday lives. This video is an ongoing investigation conducted by Kingdom Scouts. In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, it's easy to overlook the subtle clues that hint at a reality beyond our comprehension. Yet some of us can't help but question, driven by an insatiable curiosity. We wonder, what if everything around us is an elaborate illusion? A simulation, if you will. Although highly speculative, we base this investigation in statistical outcomes provided by prominent minds from the fields of philosophy and cognitive science. According to Nick Bostrom, considering technology advancing as rapidly as is today, the statistical likelihood of our existence within a simulated reality is high, raising profound questions about the nature of our perceived reality. Donald Hoffman, on the other side, makes a bold claim: what we see is not merely an abstraction, but entirely detached from objective reality. In other words, whatever reality is, it's not merely what you see. What you see is just an adaptive fiction, a carefully crafted narrative shaped by millions of years of evolution. These theories, seemingly disparate, converge on a common point. Our perception of reality is not a direct reflection of the truth, but rather a filtered, processed version of it. The filter? Well, Hoffman calls it the headset, a metaphorical interface through which we experience this so-called reality. Think of it this way: we're all wearing headsets, and these headsets shape our experiences and interactions with the world around us. They determine how we perceive and interpret our environment, mediating our relationship with reality. And here's the thing: this headset is very easy to hijack. But what if we could understand the workings of this headset? What if we could decipher the algorithms and processes it uses to present us with our version of reality? That's where the real journey begins. By focusing on the headset and the ways it can be hijacked, we can start to unveil the mechanisms of the simulation, and in doing so, gain a deeper understanding of our existence. In essence, the convergence of Bostrom's and Hoffman's theories leads us to a profound conclusion. We must focus on the ways the headset, the interface through which we perceive reality, is hijacked. Understanding the workings of our perceptual apparatus is key to navigating existence, allowing us to discern between illusion and reality. In the tale of the Wizard of Oz, we find parallels to our exploration. Just as the wizard manipulated the inhabitants of Emerald City, unseen forces may manipulate our perception within the simulation. Peeking behind the curtain offers us the opportunity to unveil the mechanisms of the simulation and gain deeper insight into our reality. By confronting the truth behind the illusion, we liberate ourselves from false beliefs and limitations, opening doors to new possibilities and profound personal growth. This isn't a far-fetched idea, but rather an extension of the stories we've grown up with. The Wizard of Oz, for instance, serves as a compelling metaphor for our current exploration. The wizard, hidden behind his curtain, manipulated the perception of the inhabitants, creating an illusion of protection and security. Now, if we extrapolate this to our reality, it's conceivable that unseen forces might be similarly influencing our headset, our perception of reality, creating this thing we call the simulation. Now, it is very possible that this Perhaps the manipulation, like that of the wizard, isn't inherently malicious. It could be guided by benevolent intentions, shaping our experiences for reasons we've yet to understand. But, on the other hand, by confronting the truth behind the illusion, we liberate ourselves from false beliefs and limitations, opening doors to new possibilities and profound personal growth. But what are these unseen forces? Are they intricate algorithms way ahead our capacity for understanding, or are they very simple, mundane tricks? The key question is, can we detect them? This is what cognitive scientists say. Our perception of reality is shaped by countless factors, from evolutionary pressures to cultural influences. But there are some common characteristics that are easily detectable. For example, here are 3 ways how our headsets are manipulated. 1. Bombarding us with distractions. In the digital age, we are constantly bombarded with stimuli vying for our attention. Social media feeds, advertisements, and notifications compete for our focus, often diverting us from meaningful engagement with the world around us. For example, spending excessive time scrolling through social media feeds can distort our perception of reality by presenting curated snippets of information that may not accurately reflect the true state of affairs. This bombardment of distractions can lead to a shallow understanding of our surroundings and hinder our ability to discern what is truly important. 2. Providing us conflicting narratives about the state of affairs. Media outlets and information sources often present conflicting narratives about current events and societal issues. Different perspectives and agendas can shape how events are portrayed, leading to confusion and uncertainty about what is actually happening in the world. For instance, political debates may be framed in a way that reinforces existing biases or serves particular interests, making it challenging to discern the truth amidst the noise. These conflicting narratives can sow seeds of doubt and erode trust in our perception of reality. 3. Providing us with a false sense of identity. Advertisements, social norms, and societal expectations often contribute to the formation of our identity. However, these influences can sometimes promote unrealistic or unattainable ideals, leading us to develop a false sense of self. For example, marketing campaigns may portray an idealized version of beauty or success, causing individuals to measure themselves against unattainable standards. This false sense of identity can distort our perception of reality by shaping how we view ourselves and others, potentially leading to feelings of inadequacy or disconnection. In conclusion, these manipulations of our headset can significantly impact our perception of reality and hinder our ability to navigate the simulation with clarity and discernment. By recognizing these manipulations and actively seeking to mitigate their effects, we can reclaim our perception and strive towards a more authentic understanding of the world around us. Amidst the chaos and confusion, there exists a sense of wonder, a deep longing to understand the mysteries of the universe and our place within it. And so we press on, guided by curiosity and fueled by the desire for truth. Until then, if you are interested in understanding how the simulation works, come with us into Terra Incognita. Keep tuned to this channel, subscribe, and most importantly, keep curious.